and welcome to the launch of the Aruba Quality Seal. Quality assurance, as indicated by Patrick, within the hospitality industry, is everything. Without properly designed quality, well-formulated, and reliably executed programs, guests will seek elsewhere for goods and services they require. Accordingly, from an overall destination perspective, failing to deliver the expected quality would mean that our visitors would choose another destination. As one of the most tourism-reliant nations in the world, we continuously measure our visitors' satisfaction with their overall Aruba experience. Their intent to return is also measured, and also their intent to recommend our destination to others. Year-to-date August 2019, we collected a total of 6,028 surveys at the airport, and visitors indicated to us that they're very satisfied. At least 82% of visitors indicated that in the surveys. From an overall quality service and satisfaction level, Aruba is well positioned in comparison to key Caribbean destinations. And important to note, however, there's always a however, is that research results do show an increase in those visitors who believe that they do not get enough value for their money. When compared to other Caribbean destinations, Aruba's overall value for money perception scores below the Caribbean average and could be put at risk in the long run if Caribbean competitors enhance their quality. This is especially applicable, and not for all, but it is especially applicable in the areas of food and beverage offering, as per the surveys conducted, our research, and shopping experiences. There are many areas where we score very well, and there we simply need to maintain these scores and enhance where possible. It is therefore that continued attention is placed on destination development, from investments in our beaches to safety to the level of service. Our multi-annual corporate strategy includes actions which are derived from various brainstorm sessions with tourism industry partners. These brainstorm sessions were an integral part of ATA's Destination Development Plan Kumira pa Futuro trajectory. One of the actions that came out of these sessions was the creation of a quality assurance program, hence the introduction and creation of the Aruba Quality Seal. The Aruba Quality Seal is a business development tool designed to establish and continually enhance the level of professionalism and standards within the industry.